This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Phew, what a day. It's so good to be home. But where are my slippers? What? I should get myself a cup of coffee. What's going on? Is it my eyes, or is something wrong with the world? And the food, too. It's definitely not enough. I'll watch a relaxing video. Or not? What's going on in our house? Oh! What?
Susie! Is it time to welcome our guests?
The alarm clock is tiny too?
Yes, of course. I'm waiting for my friend. And I prepared a room for him.
But why is everything so small, Sam?
Because my friend is a Tibedavian, and they're tiny.
Huh, I had no idea.
And I wanted my friend to be comfortable.
So you're going to accommodate him in there?
Well, yes.
No, Sam, this won't do. We should offer our guests only the best. Come, let's make a real mini house with all the comforts.
Yay!
Hi, guys. Looks like today, Sam and I will have to become builders, interior designers, and carpenters.
We'll have to make the whole house from scratch.
No, we'll use a special kit.
Oh, then it's easy peasy.
Are you sure?
Well, that's a kit, right? We've used so many kits already. Guys, write in the comments which video with kit building on our channel did you like most of all. So, we're pretty experienced. We'll do that in no time.
Okay, see for yourself. We need to assemble the furniture and the accessories. The house itself, install lighting.
And lighting, too? I see. Then let's start.
It'll be fun. You'll see. And your Tibedavian friend will definitely like it.
Will we use the instructions?
Sure.
Oh, I'll make the soft furniture.
Okay, just don't fall asleep on it.
Never.
Yeah, right. Well, I'm going to start making the rest. Oh, look! We don't need to make the fridge. It's already ready. Adorable. First, I'm going to assemble the base of the house to get the idea where the other parts fit. The first floor will have the kitchen with the dining area, the bathroom, and the living room. The second floor will have the bedroom and the study. Here, we need to glue a window in, carefully. One half, and then the other one. Now let's glue this wall to the floor. I hope it'll hold.
Make more windows, Susie. My friend likes lots of space, I think.
Don't worry, he'll have lots of space. Let's start with the bathroom. It's a very important thing. Guys, what is your favorite room in the house? Share in the comments.
Here!
Sam, you're making the soft furniture. You can't call this soft.
Oh, we'll take a towel and a rug too. Then it'll be soft.
I'll set it aside and make a shower cabin first. To make it, I folded some transparent plastic in half. And I'll decorate it with some strips. And add some handles. Otherwise, how can we open it? Let's hang the shower on the wall. Look how beautiful and golden it is. Let's set our shower cabin. This room is starting to look luxurious. I'll glue a holder next to the shower and place a towel on it. Of course, we also need a sink in the bathroom. Look how cool it came out. Let's set it in place.
Here!
Here what?
A special Tibedavian shower gel to make him feel good.
Are you sure it's Tibedavian? All right, I'll put it in. And we'll also add the mirror. We only need to install the toilet. And place the rug. Let's cover this whole thing with some walls. 1 and 2. The first room is done. Huh, interesting. This looks like a place for a mini patio.
Patio? Oh, yeah! We'll do barbecue there. He knows how to cook.
Does he? Well, then let's equip the kitchen with all the necessary stuff. Here we're going to have the air hole over the stove with a real light.
Oh, that's good. Of course, my friend isn't afraid of the dark, but it's much cozier with the light.
I can't argue there. Right, here we have some kitchen cabinets with a stove and a sink. And the fridge, of course. And all kinds of pleasant little things appear in the kitchen.
Little things, those are very important things.
Since the kitchen is ready, it's time to do the bedroom. How are those soft items coming, Sam?
Soft items? Oh, good, yes.
Then go get them. And I'll attach the base of the second floor, which has the lights for the first floor in it. These little lamps. Let's insert the wires carefully into the openings and glue the piece.
Here you go.
A whole bed? Awesome!
As a hospitable host, I need to make sure my friend has enough sleep.
And what's this?
This is for the channel. Give it here or you'll crumple it.
Sure, take it. And I'll add some more cozy lights to the bedroom. And this intricate carpet. Let's set the bed. And a nightstand near the bed.
Oh, don't forget the curtains to hide from all those strangers.
All right. The long curtains go in the dining room. And the short one goes in the bedroom.
Sue! Don't forget that my friend is a busy person. He needs a desk.
Like this one?
It'll do. Place this notebook on it.
Wait a moment. Here goes the desk with a lamp. And now the notebook, like this. And Sam, what about the armchair?
The armchair? Oh, the armchair! A moment.
While Sam's fetching that armchair, I'll add a few more details. This cute little book. And a stationery set. And also some railing to make sure nobody falls down accidentally.
Here's the armchair!
Great! Let's set it in place.
I hope my friend won't have to jump or fly to get to the second floor.
Of course not. He'll use these stairs to get to the second floor. Let's glue it in place.
Sue, I'm confused about the sofa.
Well, you made the pieces correctly. The soft part is inside and the pretty fabric is on the outside. We simply need to assemble it. Let's clear it and apply some glue to the base. We'll glue the big cushion and also 2 small cushions to sit comfortably. And of course, no sofa can do without the back and the arms. And here's our finished sofa.
Oh, phew! I thought it should look differently. Then catch more cushions!
Woo! I am. 1 and 2 and 3. All there. We also need a carpet for our living room. And let's set the sofa in place. Ooh, the coffee table is a must-have.
I agree. Right, Susie. I think something's missing.
Something? The dining room, of course.
Oh, how could I forget about this important part of the house? But there's no soft furniture here.
No soft furniture? Then we'll set the wooden one. The table, really nice. And a couple of chairs. And also the cups. And 2. And some yummy treats for tea. Wonderful. We only need to add a few small details and it's done. Now we're ready to receive guests.
Susie, it's amazing.
Do you think your friend will like it?
Of course, how can he not like it?
And what about this?
Holy cannoli, it's so cozy. I want to live here myself, but wrong size.
But you can enjoy the view.
Yeah.
Sam! Hey, Sam, your friend is here!
Oh, coming! Uh-oh. Looks like we need a bigger house.
Guys, give this video a thumbs up to support all unusual guests. And subscribe to the channel to see even more adventures with our funny Sam.
First thing to do is to peel the backing off your sticky back plastic. Now you'll find this easier to do if you put sticky tape on the corners like that. Now let's start making our rubbish design. Just lay down the bits of your wrappers and ripped up crisp packets. Now you can make any design you want. That's the beauty of this idea. Just put the bits down there.
It's rubbish.
It's not rubbish, it's looking quite good actually.
Halfway.
Halfway already? Oh. There we go. Now you have to go as quickly as you can.
Hurry up.
Great. I stick that down and then just pick up these bits here. It's done. Ooh, what a great design.
Thank you, Mr. Miller.
Into a flat sausage shape. There we go. Just keep rolling. Roll and roll and roll like that. This is looking good. Now let's get our plant pot and cover it in the clay. Here we go. We'll try and cover the whole thing like this and then squidge it down on the bottom there and then overlap it and push everything down to make a pot shape. There we go. This is looking good.
Halfway there.
Halfway already? Oh no. There we go. That's nice. And when it's completely covered in clay, we can cover it in the bits and pieces. Get plenty on and you just push them all into place like this. You can do it with your hands like this. You can use whatever bits you like.
10 seconds.
Oh, 10 seconds to go. Just keep pushing. Got a few seconds left. There we go. Here's my jazzy pot.
Thank you, Mr. Miller.
Like that to make a nose. Now we need a white pipe cleaner and we're going to wrap it around the pencil like this. There we go. If you slide it off, this is going to be the body of our mouse. There we go. That goes up to the nose. Then with this other pink piece here, we're going to fold it into ear shapes. There we go. There's one ear and there's the other ear. And we can pop that up and squeeze it into position. There we go. Our mouse has got 2 ears. Now we need to get these other 2 white pipe cleaners and wrap them around the pencil. There's one. And there's the other one. Wrap it around. This is the rest of the mouse's body. And then slide that off and slide it onto our mouse like that. Curl the tail up. And then we need to stick on 2 eyes. One bit of glue there, one bit of glue there. There's one eye. And there is the other eye. I've done it! A bird's head with a long neck like that, and also a beak. And let's cut these out very carefully with scissors. Now remember, scissors are sharp, so you might want to ask an adult to help you with this bit. There we go, there's the beak. And let's cut out the head very carefully, all the way along and round and down the other side. There we go. Right, let's get some glue and stick the beak on. There it is. And now he needs some eyes. All right, come back here, you. That's it. There's one and there's 2. Oh, there we go. Right, now we need the pine cone and hopefully that will stick in there, which it does. Now we need some feathers. Let's get some feathers stuck in. There we go. There's one in there. 1 in there. Go on, in you go. 1 in there and 1 in there. And just about enough time for 1 more. There.